Go, Steph, go. How many meters? There's a fish in the water.
50.
It does look really weird. It's almost like it might be stuck on something. Okay, Mark, I think. Okay. Wow, I can see it. It's big. It's big. So Marco, you can raise the downrigger by pushing the button, eh? Okay. Pull the button up, push it up. Up.
Oh, it's huge.
So reel in, reel in, reel in, reel in. Okay, Marco. Okay, Steph, keep it there. Keep it there for now. That's a monster salmon. That's a monster.
Oh my god. It's like giving birth.
It's like giving birth. Hear that, Lindy? Okay,
wow.
Maybe we can get it. Okay. Alright, it's okay, Marco, leave that. I think you're fine. You film. Keep it on this side, Steph. Yeah, leave it on this side. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Here, Marco, hold this. I'll go over the net. Okay, on the boat. Okay, bring it into my net here.
I can't reel in anymore.
You can reel in.
I don't know if it's recording.
It's recording.
Okay.
Wow! Oh my god!
Look at this thing!
Oh my god!
Ah,
Oh my god!
Holy cow, how big is this thing?
It's huge! Oh, I feel bad. Sorry, Lip.
He's huge! Here we go, Mario!
Okay.
Take some photos.